Okay, so now that the hype and the negativity around the iPhone 16 series this year has almost died, let's talk about it in a more practical way. I am a content creator, a product photographer, and a videographer. Making content for myself and my clients is my job. And to help me with that, I got the 16 Pro Max this year. And I honestly didn't know what I was stepping into. I am clearly in a state of shock seeing the results that it can produce. So last week I faced a little problem with my A6400. There was some problem with the SD card slot and it had to be sent for repairs. And the service center told me that it would take about a week for it to be fixed. So I had to inform all my clients about this production delay and just played video games for a few days. And then I remembered that I got the new iPhone this year. So why not just use it? This seemed like an opportunity to put it into good use, and it did not disappoint. I did not use any fancy camera apps like the Final Cut camera where you can manually adjust the settings. I just changed some basic settings so that I can take the highest quality images possible. And then I just started shooting by paying a little bit of attention to the composition. And then I used Lightroom Mobile for the edits. And that was all. The clients could not tell a single difference. They were all happy with the output that I was able to deliver. At that moment, I realized the true value of the investment that I have made. Fun fact, before I started the shoot, I thought that the 24mm lens or the 1x lens would be the most used in this case. Because in my mind, I thought that the telephoto lens would just digitally zoom in the sensor, which would result in a loss of quality. But when I started shooting, I ended up using the 5x lens the most. The images look sharp, crisp and presentable, even though it came out of a tiny little sensor on a phone at a 5x lens. Now, I know that there are smartphone manufacturers that offer you 100x lens, but to be honest, I don't find that practical enough, because when you are delivering your content to your clients, you have to be presentable, and I don't think that you can get a presentable look on a 100x lens. So yeah, I think that I have made a great decision by getting the iPhone 16 Pro Max this year. The 16 Pro Max this year might not be a big upgrade, but it is the ultimate tool for content creators. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching it till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.